in today's video, I want to show you guys something I got mounted outside. There's the wire that goes out there. I click this. I don't know if you guys heard that, but it was my MS-290. For some reason, it sounds like a 2T when you block its intake. And I forgot my tape. It's up there. I got it one wire back. Got some snow from 2 weeks ago. That's still here. Big chunk of ice. But yeah, that's my new siren that has been mounted. But yeah, and oh, there's my P10. Has seen better days. Definitely has seen better days. The rotator thing is right here. Not the shovel. That right there. That wheel right there. What the frick is that? But yeah. And bye.